Hi, in this video we're going to show you a nice browser extension you could use to make Gmail your default email application when you click on email links on web pages. So let's go to this website, for example, and we want to click on Inquire Within. You can see at the bottom left there it's going to send an email to this J. Jenkins. And you click on it, and it wants to know which application you want to use for it. And Gmail is not an option. You can't pick Chrome, but we have the Outlook as an option. And this usually happens when you do this type of thing because it looks for an actual desktop application rather than a web-based email app. So we're going to click off of that. All right, so what we're going to do is install this Mailto set default email to Gmail by Cloud HQ. So Cloud HQ makes all types of add-ons and extensions for Gmail and web browsers, especially for Gmail. And if you want to make a free account with them, you'll have your own little dashboard here where you could see other add-ons and apps you could install and actually manage what you have installed and add and remove them from here as well. All right, so we're going to click on Add to Chrome. Okay, so that's been installed. So one thing that you may have to do is close your browser and reopen it to take effect. So I'm going to do that. All right, so we have the browser back open again. So let's go back here. Now we'll click this link again. So you can see it opens up Gmail and puts in the email address for J. Jenkins, just like we saw here on the lower left. And then you could compose your email, just like that. And then, of course, if you don't want to use it any longer, you could come up to your extensions and remove it from Chrome, and then it'll be gone. And then, of course, you won't have an email app associated with email links on web pages. But if you decided you wanted to use something like Outlook instead, you probably want to come here and remove this extension just to make sure it doesn't go back to Gmail instead of Outlook. All right, so I will put a link in the description where you can download Set Default Email to Gmail, and then you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.